Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss what is lowest common multiple and how to find lowest common multiple of two or more number. Okay, so first of all we will discuss what is common multiple. What is common multiple? Okay, so to understand it better we will take one example. I am taking two number 2 and 4. Okay, so first we will write the multiple of 2. So multiple of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. And the multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Okay. So among these multiple, we will just circle the common multiple of both number. Okay. So 4 is common in both numbers. 8 is also common in both number. Now 12 is also and 20 is also. Okay, so what are common multiple? When a number is a multiple of two or more numbers, it is called a common multiple. Okay, it is called a common multiple. Now, what are the common multiple of 2 and 4? So, common multiple of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 20 and so on. Okay. Now, what is lowest common multiple? So, among these multiple, the smallest common multiple is called lowest common multiple. So, smallest common multiple among these multiple is 4. So, 4 is the lowest common multiple. Okay. So, the smallest common multiple is called lowest common multiple. Okay, it is also called least common multiple. Okay, lowest common multiple or LCM. Got it? We can find out the LCM of two or more number by three methods. So first method is finding common multiple. Finding common multiple. The second method is by prime factorization. Prime factorization method. Okay. And the third one is repeated division method. Repeated division method. So by using these three methods, we can find out the LCM of any number. Okay. So first we will discuss how to find out the LCM by finding common multiple. Okay. So first is finding common multiple. Okay. So let's take an example. I'm taking two number 8 and 12. Okay. So first of all, we just write down the multiple of 8 and 12. Okay. So the multiple of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. And the multiple of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. Okay. Now the second step is we will just circle the common multiples of both number. Okay. So the common multiple of 8 and 12 are 24. The next number is 48, 72 and so on. Okay. So what are the common multiple of 8 and 12? 24, 48, 72 and so on. Okay. So the lowest common multiple of both number is 24. Okay. Because this is the lowest multiple among all the common multiples. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay. Second method is prime factorization method. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose we have two number 21 and 24 and we have to find out the LCM of these number. Okay, so we will just start prime factorize 21. Okay, so prime factorization of 21 is equal to, so to prime factorize it, we will just start dividing it by lowest prime factor which can divide this number. So this is divisible by 3, so we will take 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now 7 can divide by 7, so 7 ones are 7. So the prime factor of 21 are 3 into 7. Okay, now we will prime factorize 24. So prime factorization of, prime factorization of 24 is, now again we will start dividing it by smallest prime factor which can divide this number. So this is even number, so we can start by 2. So 2 12s are 24. Now it again divided by 2, so 2 6s are 12. Now 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the prime factor of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now to find the LCM, we just circle the common multiple of these numbers. Okay, so the common multiple of these number is 3. Common factor of these number is 3, so we will just write down 3 first. Okay, now we will write down all the remaining factors of these number. Okay, so 7 is remaining here, so we will write down 7, and 2 2 2, 3 times 2 is remaining here, so we will write down 3 times 2 2 here. Okay, so when we multiply this, we will get 168. So the lowest common multiple of 21 and 24 is 168. Okay, now the third method is repeated division method. Okay, so let's take an example to understand it. Suppose we have three numbers 12, 18 and 24 and we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so by this method we just write down these numbers like this, 12, 18 and 24, and start dividing by the smallest prime number which can at least divide one of these number. Okay, so we will start by 2 because these are the even number. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. Okay, now again we can divide it by 2 because these two numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, and we just write down 9 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. Okay, now 2 6 are 12. Now the next number we can take 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, now again we can divide it by 3. So 1, 3 1s are 3, and we just write down 2 as it is because it is not divisible by 3. Okay, now the next number 1 1 and 1. So we just continue this process till the last row has quotient as 1 for all numbers. Now we get 1 as quotient for all numbers, so we just stop this method here. And now to find out the LCM, we just multiply all these numbers. Okay, so the LCM of these number is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 72. Okay, so the LCM of 12, 18 and 24 is 72. Hope you understood the concept of lowest common multiple. Now it's quiz time. Solve this question and send me answer in the comment box below.